Sometimes you're going to have a customer that has a unit that they want to trade in, but the unit they're buying isn't going to be here for a month or two or more, and you want to go ahead and sell their unit before you actually finalize the deal and sell them the unit that they're going to be buying. So in this video, we're going to show you how to do that. We call this prior trades for the purpose of the deal. So what we're going to do first is we're going to buy that customer's unit. So we're going to go into the system and we're going to tell it that, and I'm just going to tell it to use the current customer, but I'm going to do a used unit purchase and purchase that particular customer's unit. Now, whether you pay them for this or not, we're just going to send it to AR and use the credit on the deal when we actually cash the deal out. But you can buy it completely at this point too, but right now we're working with prior trades, and that's all we're really interested in. Now when we do this, I'm going to go ahead and add a trade in. So we're going to type in a unit, and I'm just going to pick something to expedite the video here, but we're going to pick the unit that they want to trade in or that we're going to buy from them, and we're going to go ahead and let's say that we're going to purchase this one for $3,600, and we're going to give him $3,600, and we'll just keep it simple. That's all we'll do, and we'll go ahead and save the unit. And so now if you look down here, we owe him $3,600. So we're just going to go ahead and pay the invoice. It's selected. We're going to come down here and we're going to tell it to go to AR, and we're going to process the payment. So right now he has a credit on his account for $3,600. So now we're going to go create a deal and show you how to actually use this prior trade. So we're going to go ahead and create a deal for the same guy. And I'm going to go to add trade in here, but instead of selecting to put a trade here that we're going to do now, I'm going to actually click the button that says add prior trade. And we're going to find the one here that's for $3,600, which is the last one that we just did. And we're going to tell it to select that trade in. So now you can see that even though we'd already given him, we'd already taken the trade and sold, we could have even sold it by now. The system is letting me attach that thing to this deal so that I can get credit for it on the deal in the future. So it just gives you the ability to buy the bike now, sell it, and then use that trade later on as credit on the deal that you're actually going to be selling him the new bike on.